Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma T3 test kit. You can see this here. It says ichroma T3. You can see the reference part number CFPC-44, and you can see the box contents, and also this is lot number is mentioned here. The manufacturing date is here and the expiry date is here, and this is CIVD certified product and 25 test kit pack. Let's go to the intended use here. Ichroma T3 is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of total T3, total thyroid in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of determination of thyroid disorders. The key box contains 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 2 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, 1 insertion for use. Okay, let me show you in the box. This is a new version from the Boditech. This from Boditech Korea. You can see this here. Okay. Okay, here you go. You can see there is one IFU brochure. It says ichroma T3. You can see the principles, procedures, warnings. Actually, this IFE brochure has the complete information. You can see this. You can see complete information. You can see the complete information. Test setup, test procedure, interpretation of results. See the complete test procedure here. So you have the complete information to conduct your test, and there is one detector tube packs. You can see there's a 25 pack detector tube. It says ichroma T3 detector tube. You can see this here. It's C certified. Then you have detector diluent liquid. There are two bottles here. This can also be stored in the room temperature. You can see this here. T3 detector diluent. Putting it here. And then you have one ID chip. It says T3 along with the lot number it's mentioned here. And then you have 25 cartridges. You can see there are 25 cartridges. Let me take it to here. Okay, I put that. You can see it's ichroma T3. Ichroma T3. You can see the lot number and also the expiry date is mentioned. So to summarize here, today we see the unboxing of ichroma T3 25 test kit pack. In this ichroma T3 test kit pack, you get one IFU brochure and 25 pieces of detector tube and 2 bottles of T3 detector diluent and 25 cartridges and 1 ID chip. This is how the total test kits looks like. Here you go. Okay, thank you.